Welcome, my name is Ron. If you're here, it's because you've been selected to take place in a free trial of our cutting-edge solution. Watch the rest of the video to learn how we help improve businesses just like yours. At the end, you can click the button below to get access to your free trial today.
I want to thank you guys for taking the time to go through this video to watch and learn how we bring extreme value to MetroPCS dealers. The features that I'm going to be going over are the ones that we've been able to achieve with Incomm MetroPCS Integration. And we've been able to come up with a solution that eliminates the possibility for errors. If this is your first time you guys are learning about iWireless POS, what we are is an end-to-end business management platform for cell phone stores. We help with things such as inventory management, staff goal monitoring, commission and spiff reconciliation, to name a few. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you guys how we make a service payment through iWireless POS. The first thing you're going to do is click on QPay here from your store dashboard. What you're going to go ahead and do now is you're going to select the carrier that you're going to be making a payment for. We're going to click MetroPCS, and then we're going to input the customer's phone number. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Go. Here on the right hand side, all the customer's information is being pulled directly from Incomm. We can see relevant information such as the account holder's name, account number. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and click on the type and select service payment. And then we're going to go ahead and input the amount the customer is going to be paying excluding fees. As soon as I click on continue, what's simply being done is the payments being added to the invoice. We have yet to process the payment through QPay. We're going to go ahead and click on checkout. At this point is where you're going to collect payment from a customer. You're going to go ahead and input how much the customer is going to pay you, whether it be cash or credit, and then click on complete. So once I select this complete button is when the customer's payment is actually being posted to QPay. What we went ahead and did is we made sure that payments being cleared before actually posting it to the customer's account. That's going to eliminate a lot of headache with you making a customer's payment, then charging him after just to find out that the payment is unable to be cleared for various reasons. The next thing I want to show you is how we integrate the service payment with an activation. Here from your store dashboard, what you're going to do is click on Start Sale to begin a new activation. Here on the left hand side, you're going to select whether it's a new or a port-in activation. So while you're actually using the software, selecting the correct one is very important because you're able to set up spiffs for it to automatically populate to the register when invoicing an activation. We're going to go ahead and input the serial number for the device and select MetroPCS. From here, you can have a list of all your available plans. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Continue. Then we're going to go ahead and click on Checkout, and we're going to charge the customer for the total amount due. From here, we're going to go ahead and click on Complete. This is a point where you're going to hop over to MetroPCS Edge to complete your activation. Once the activation is complete, you're going to come back to iWireless and you're going to document either the ported number or the new customer phone number, which you're going to go ahead and input right here on the left hand side. At this point, what you're going to do is you're going to complete the invoice. And the number is automatically going to be placed in the activation payment form, where all you have to do is click on Go. And as you can see here on the right hand side, all the information for the new account is being pulled. So here we can see there's a total amount due of $45, which we're going to input right here, and we're going to click on Continue. At this point, the service payment is being applied to the new customer's account, and here you can see a confirmation for that payment. All the relevant information such as the transaction ID has been posted to that invoice for your reconciliation module in the admin portal. We have an abundance of additional tools in your administrator portal that really helps you streamline the process of managing your cell phone stores. If you think that this platform can help you, there's a button below where you can enroll and get instant access. I want to thank you guys again for taking the time to watch the video, and I hope you guys have a great day.